Hi, today we are going to see a topic in Oracle, that is purge. What is the use of this purge? Okay. Normally, when we drop the table won't be deleted from the server permanently. That means it will be removed from the server temporarily. It will be moved to the recycle bin. Okay. And later on, if we need the table or similar objects like index, whatever be the object we create in Oracle, if we remove it, it will be in the recycle bin. Okay. Then we can later on we can recover it. Okay. If you need that table, we can recover it. But if we use that purge option, it will remove the table. That means it will remove the object permanently from the server. We cannot recover it. Okay. When issuing the drop table statement in Oracle, you can specify the purge option. There are various ways we can use this purge. We can use the purge along with the drop table, or we can use the purge separately. Okay, or we can delete some of the tables in the recycle bin, and we can purge entire recycle bin. Either way, we can do that. There are several options out there. We are going to see one by one, and I will explain with one example. Here, I am going to create one sample table, and I am going to drop, and I will show the recycle bin. Just like that, only sample table. Here, I have created the table. See, nothing is available in the recycle bin table. This is a system table, and I will show when we drop the table what is going to happen. Now, I have dropped the table. See, now the table location is moved to the recycle bin. That means if we want to recover, we can recover it later. But if we don't want this table permanently in our server, then we can use the purge option. I will show it now. If there are several tables, we can specify the purge table name. Here, we are having only one table, so that we can use purge recycle bin. Purge recycle bin done. Now see, there are no tables available in the recycle bin. That means it is removed permanently from the recycle bin. Here, there are several tables available in the recycle bin. I have switched over to some other schema. Here, in demo schema, there are several tables available. If I want to remove only one table, I will show how to remove it. Table purge. Now you will see the recycle bin. See that party new table is not there. That means we have removed that party new table from the recycle bin. That means the table is removed permanently from the database. We cannot recover it. We cannot recover it. These are all the several ways we can use the purge. And I will show one more option. Before that, we will see some theory. Okay, I will explain about the purge. What is the main purpose of it? The use the purge statement to remove the table or index from our recycle bin and release all the space associated with the object. That means whenever we use the purge, it not only deletes it permanently, it reclaims the space. That means we will get more space. Okay. We can remove all the tables from the recycle bin by using the purge recycle bin, or we can remove the some of the tables from the recycle bin. That means one or two tables. I've already shown that purge table name. Like that, we can remove one or two tables, or we can remove the entire recycle bin. Okay. Purging is process of freeing up the space in the database. That means we might be having one application which is having around 100 tables, just for example. And in due course of time, that means 3 years or 4 years, most of the data will become obsolete. That means, for example, one person, John David, is residing in particular area. He might be switched over his resident to some other place. So the address will be changed. So we cannot keep the same address in the address table like that. The data is getting obsolete, so that we can remove the data permanently. Okay. 5 years data, 6 years data. At that time, instead of deleting, we can just like that purge the entire data. That means some tables will be there. We may not access it very frequently, and some tables we may not access at all in the due course of time, 3 years or 4 years. So we can identify those data and tables, and we can drop it. That means we can purge the data, and we can purge the tables. That means it will be removed permanently from the server, so that we can reclaim. That means we can get the space. Okay, that space can be used for some other purpose. And one more option I will show you now. Here in recycle bin, nothing is there. And if you don't want the table to be sent to the recycle bin, that means while dropping the table itself, we are going to purge it, means that recycle, the table won't be moved to recycle bin. Recycle bin. Okay. Drop table location, you can say purge. If you use this option, then it will remove permanently from the database. You cannot find this table in the recycle bin. See, table location dropped. Now, if you go and select the recycle bin, you cannot find it. Okay, that means it is removed permanently. So you have to be very, very careful in using the purge. It is mostly related to the administration related things. So mostly you may not have the privileges to do this in the real-time environment, or in the whatever be the you are in project support project, or whatever be the project. Mostly the senior persons, administrator, will be having the privileges to execute this purge statement. Okay. Thanks. Bye.